lights in your eyes, your shadow dancing in the neon skies, your voice like a melody in my head. Every word you say pulls me closer instead. Every time you move, my heart skips a beat. Every little touch feels so sweet. Baby, don't go, just stay right here. Let the world disappear. Stay tonight, don't let go of me. In your arms is where I wanna be. All these stars shining in your eyes, feels like heaven when you're by my side. Stay tonight, we can lose control. Your love got a hold on my soul. Let the rhythm of our hearts collide. Baby, just stay with me tonight. Soft rain falling on the window pane, but your love keeps me warm in the rain. Your smile got me feeling alive, like a dream I don't wanna leave behind. Every whisper calling my name, every kiss lighting up the flame. Baby, don't run, don't say goodbye, just stay for the night. Stay tonight, don't let go of me. In your arms is where I wanna be. All these stars shining in your eyes, feels like heaven when you're by my side. Stay tonight, we can lose control. Your love got a hold on my soul. Let the rhythm of our hearts collide. Baby, just stay with me tonight. Time slows down when you're close to me, like the ocean kissing the sea. If tomorrow comes, we'll see the light, but for now, just stay tonight. Stay tonight, don't let go of me. Your love is my melody underneath the moonlit sky. Baby, don't say goodbye. Stay tonight, just you and I, hearts beating in the night. Let this moment never die. Baby, just stay tonight. Every morning feels brand new when the sunlight shines on you. Little laugh, little wave, you don't know the joy you gave. Walking slowly by my side, like the stars became my guide. In a world that's moving wild, you call me with your sweet smile. And when the rain begins to fall, you're the reason I stand tall. One small look and suddenly everything means more to me. Oh, your sweet smile saves my day, takes the lonely clouds away. Like a song I wanna keep playing softly in my dreams. Every heartbeat stays a while, captured by your sweet smile. I don't need the world tonight, as long as you by my side. Late night talks and blurry skies, still get lost inside your eyes. Simple moments, simple things, feel like like magic when you sing. Maybe love is soft and slow, like the moonlight's gentle glow. And if I ever had a star, it would look like your sweet smile. If someday the lights grow dim and the roads get cold again, hold my hand and stay a while. Lead me home with that sweet smile. Oh, your sweet smile heals my heart, even when we're far apart. Like a fire in the night, you keep all my hopes alive. Every second feels worthwhile because of your sweet smile. And I swear through every mile, I'll keep chasing that sweet smile. Morning light through my window, golden sky so soft and slow. Coffee warm in my hands, feel the calm, I understand. Birds are singing low and sweet, gentle rhythm in the street. Every breath I take today feels like peace in every way. No rush, no fear, just quiet moments here. It's a beautiful day.